Hey guys, what's good? Back with another video. My name is Fitri Joroji, one of the co-founder of Fix Collab. Fix Collab is a software development agency based in KL, and our whole mission is to help people out there build better websites. We have built over 100 plus websites for small business to public listed companies, and we're here to educate you guys on what it takes to build good websites to make sure that all of you guys make better informed decisions when it comes to revamping your next website. All right. So this video, I'm going to talk about one of the services that we offer before you even get our core service. It's something that we always tell our potential client to get it first, which is our website audit, right? And I know it sounds sketchy because a lot of you guys out there who are marketing is like, oh, it's one of their ways to get a to build database, but it's not really that. Yes, we do get database from people requesting a website audit, but it actually is a process that we use to, number one, obviously vet our client whether they're a good fit or not. Number two is to just educate our client, guys, because a lot of times, the problem when you're trying to do things yourself, when you're trying to build a website yourself, you're this close to the business that you have this, owner blindness, I call it, because you're that close to the business, so you don't see that, hey, people are actually struggling to understand what you offer at its core. I mean, what your business offer. And in fact, the more we do the audits, we've done a lot of audits, we realize that a lot of business owners have this problem. They think that people understand their core services. They think that people understand the services that they give, the problems that they solve. When in actual fact, people don't. So with this audit, I'll show you the benefits that you get from it, all right? And there's no other way to do that other than me going through the page itself. And to do that, I need to share my screen. Let me just do that. All right. So you're seeing this screen, right? This is Fix Collab homepage. If you want to know more about our services and how we can help, you can go to fixcollab.com and read things there. But I want to bring you guys to this page, a page where we offer a website audit, right? And I've spoken the fact that while a lot of you guys may think that it's one of our way to get leads, one of our way to build our database, the more important thing here is for us to show you guys what the current perception of your website is. Reason why is because we have this 6-point audit process where we run through your website internally and also externally to get people's feedback on what they think of this website. And 9 times out of 10, you will realize something about the perception of public towards your website. You see, what we offer here basically is an audit service. Basically, we do a blueprint to pinpoint a lot of different things. So if you're having problems with, you feel that, because at the end of the day, a lot of the clients that we speak to, they have this gut feeling that, hey, somehow I feel that my current website is not giving the right perception. Somehow I feel that my website is not converting if they don't have the data. Somehow, I wanted to pitch a new design to my management, but I'm not sure whether this design is going to solve the problem. This design is going to bring the ROI. So they typically need this analysis, right? So basically this 6 steps process, there are 6 steps where we run your website through, all right? First one is called the perception survey. Basically, we just blast in our community. We have an internal community of people, designers, the freelancers, and I will tell them, hey, run through this website and fill out the form. The form basically will tell us how people is currently perceiving your website, and from there you'll get an average score of whether people are perceiving your website the way you wanted them to, and you will also be able to understand from a layman's point of view what are the improvement points, what are the exact part about your website that people don't understand. And then internally, we will go through your brand message. This is what we're good at. It will tell you guys that, hey, actually, you can position yourself better if you were to write it like this. And if you've watched my first ever video about the history of Fixed Collab, you understand that, hey, good design is not the secret key to unlocking conversion. It's actually an implementation of good design with good brand messaging. And if you notice, a lot of good websites out there, yes, they are complemented with good design, but at the core of it, they have a very unique positioning that makes people want to click the button, that makes people want to try out their software. So that's about the brand message. And then we throw it to our designers to look at from brand identity point of view. Are we seeing a cohesive branding there? Like, is the color all over the place? Is it really reflecting a well-branded company? And then discoverability, this is where we talk about SEO. We run it through our analytics, and then we tell you, okay, from discoverability point of view, you are lacking on this part. And then word of mouth from where, and then awareness. So these are the phases that we run you through, that you can read a lot more about your business. And at the end of this, what you'll get is detailed plan on, okay, these are the findings of what people are perceiving your website as. And from there, you'll be able to make a more informed decision on, hey, if I want to pitch to my management, these are the points that I can bring up to them and tell them, hey, as you can see, we are struggling at this area. So if we invest this much money in there, we'll be able to solve that problem. And this is the kind of value that we want our prospect to have when they look at their website. Because it's a tricky thing, guys. We think that, oh, the website doesn't look good, it needs a brand new design, but it doesn't really solve a problem. There's not much value in looking at it like that. But if you understand that currently, hey, people are not perceiving your company as a $1 billion company. Let's say that you want to go public, but people are not perceiving it as a public listed company, then something is wrong there. Because you see, public listed companies, they have their own the style of messaging, they have their own menu structure. And these are the things that we can help you figure out if you take this audit. For now, it's as simple as, click the button and then let us know what are your URL, who are your target audience, and then we will run you through. We will take at least 24 to 48 hours. Our team will run the 6 process, and then from there, we'll be able to get back to you with the blueprint that pinpoints, hey, these are all the improvement points that that you can do if you were to revamp your website. So those are the value that we can bring to the table with this free site audit. It's for people who are unsure whether you need a redesign, because a lot of things, we get a lot of inquiries day in, day out about people wanting to revamp. And the problem is, if they want to revamp without a solid intention why, a lot of times the revamp won't be as ROI positive, because they will think that this revamp will solve all kind of problems, but it actually doesn't. So I would highly recommend you guys to get the audit and then understand yourself, okay, this is the current status of this website, and these are what we can improve on and where we can go if we were to fix it. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you find value in this video, please like, share, follow me on LinkedIn, where I share tips about websites and web apps. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.